Children, the Revolutionary work in India received assistance from Indian revolutionaries staying abroad. India House in London was an important center which provided for such kind of assistance. Pandit Shamji Krishna Varma, an Indian patriot, had established India House. Through this organization, Indian youths were given scholarships for higher education in England. Swatantraveer Savarkar received such scholarship. Madam Kama raised the issue of India's independence at the World Socialist Conference held at Stuttgart in Germany. In the same conference, she unfurled the flag of India. Another revolutionary associated with India House was a young named Madanlal Dhingra. He killed Curzon Wyllie, a British officer, due to which Dhingra was hanged to death. So, children, Samji Krishna Varma, he was the founder of India House, the main center of Indian revolutionaries in London. He gave scholarships to Indian youths for higher education in England. Madam Kama raised the issue of India's independence at the World Socialist Conference at Stuttgart in Germany. She unfurled the flag of India there, and Madanlal Dhingra assassinated the British officer Curzon Wyllie and was hanged. So, children, here you have come to know about India House, and next I am going to discuss about Gadar movement. During the period of First World War, the revolutionary work against the British government got a momentum. The revolutionaries felt that transfer of power can be brought into India with the help of enemies of the British, and in this attempt help of Indian soldiers can also be taken. To take advantage of this opportunity, revolutionary organizations were set up. Gadar is one such important organization. The Indians living in America and Canada established the Gadar organization. Lala Hardayal, Bhai Parmanand, Dr. Pandurang Sadashiv Kanoje, etc. These revolutionaries were the important leaders of the organization. The word Gadar means revolt. Gadar was the journal of this organization that acted as its mouthpiece. Through this journal, effects of British rule in India were pointed out. It gave information about the daring deeds of the revolutionaries. In this way, love for the nation and armed rebellion was the message given through the journal Gadar to the Indians. The leaders of Gadar organization decided to take advantage of this warlike situation. They drew out a plan of revolt in Punjab against the British. They persuaded the Indian soldiers in British army to join in their revolt. it was decided that Rash Bihari Bose and Vishnu Ganesh Pingle should lead the revolt, but due to treachery, the British traced out the plan. Pingle fell into the hands of the police. He was hanged to death, but Rash Bihari Bose escaped successfully. He went to Japan and continued his revolutionary work. The revolutionary movement was active in other countries during the period of war. In Berlin, Virendra Nath Chattopadhyay, Bhupen Datta, and Hardayal prepared anti-British plans in cooperation with the German Foreign Ministry. In 1915, Mahendra Pratap, Barkatullah, and Abiyadullah Sindhi established provisional government of Free India in Kabul. So children, the revolutionary activities gained momentum during the First World War. Many revolutionaries were the view that independence of India can be gained by taking the help of enemies of the British. To achieve this, help of the Indian soldiers can be taken. Children, Gadar means revolt. Lala Hardwal Bhai Parmanand and Dr. Pandurang Sadashiv Khanoje, established by Indians living in America and Canada, they started the journal Gadar. The effects of British rule on India were pointed out through this journal. Information about the daring deeds of the revolutionaries was given. Love for the nation and armed rebellion was the message given through the journal. So, children, Gadar actually, to take advantage of the opportunity, revolutionary organizations were set up, and Gadar is one such important organization. Okay. Now, children, revolution movement in other countries also it is discussed here. Virendranath Chattopadhyay, Bhupen Datta, and Lala Hardayal prepared anti-British plans in cooperation with German Foreign Ministry, and Mahendra Pratap, Barkatullah, and Obiyadullah Sindhi established provisional government of Free India at Kabul in 1915. So children, here you have come to know about India House and also about a revolutionary organization, that is Gadar. Now I will discuss about Kakori conspiracy.